Hello, everyone. I'm here again for the exposition of the divine principle. So, let's talk about the original value. So, the process of and standard for the determination of original value. So, the original value of an entity is determined when it participates as an object partner in God-centered four-position foundation. So this is the four-position foundation: God, subject partner, object partner, and then union. Okay. So by relating with the person as its subject partner. Okay. So since the center of this four-position foundation is God, it is God who sets the standard for its value. Since God is absolute, the original value of an object partner determined in relation to this standard must also be absolute. So, section 5, the process of the creation of the universe and its growing period. So, the process of creation of the universe. So, the universe did not suddenly spring forth completely. In fact, its origin and development took an enormous length of time. Okay? So, so the biblical periods of 6 days, so the 6 days, Genesis 1, for the completion of the universe is not to be reckoned by the number of little sunrises and sunsets. It symbolizes six ordered periods of time in the creation process. So, everybody, everyone, bye.